Meaning of child. A child is a young human being, usually between birth and puberty. It can also mean someone's son or daughter at any age. 10 example sentences with child. 1. The child is playing in the park. 2. Every child deserves a good education. 3. She has one child and 2 pets. 4. The lost child was crying for his parents. 5. That child is very smart for her age. 6. He treated me like a child, even though I'm an adult. 7. As a child, I loved reading storybooks. 8. The child fell and hurt his knee. 9. Each child brought a gift for the teacher. 10. She adopted a child from an orphanage.